Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Give me 1 second. Is it dark or not? Feels like it's not enough light. Oh, I got it. That's because of my monitor. A little bit, right? Yeah, that's because of my monitor. Way better, way better. Tell you guys about that. Yeah, dark. Should be better, right? I open my light. Is it better light right now? Should be, I guess. Yeah. Tell you guys about this. So how's your weekend? How's your morning? Yeah. One of my monitors stopped working, so I switched to another monitor, and now it just covers my light. Anyway. Yeah, actually gold was amazing last night. And just I was checking how many points I decided to leave on my table, and it was 27 points, and I got only like this one. But once again, 2R is 2R, but my entry was absolutely amazing. Like it dropped. Oh my god, like 40 points from my entry. So, talking about ES and NQ, guys, I'm not going to lie. Overall, I'm bullish on NQ and ES, but I do like to see previous week low level taken. Okay, maybe that's too much to ask, but Friday low. I really want to see this. Because just looking at high time frame chart right now, we already got move from to all-time high, and we never actually retrace. So I do like to see we taking out previous week low level, especially on an it's flat candle. So basically retracement to a weekly fair value gap, which is going to be internal range liquidity, and then up. So that was my plan, and honestly, still valid in my humble opinion. Oh, I'm pretty much done. So let's see. I'm going to trade evaluation today if I see any setup. Not going to touch any funded accounts. So we will see once again. Yeah, once again, I'm pretty much bullish on ES and NQ, but I do like to see more from external to internal, which is weekly fair value gap, lines up with previous week low level. So this kind of makes sense to me, you know, to see drop to Friday low, then previous week low level, then reversal. It's overall nice. This means I absolutely don't care if it's going to be up, then down, or just down. So from this area, I would like to look for long. You would like to see drop to previous week low level first. Happy birthday in advance. Thank you. It's going to be tomorrow, so yeah. Week of giveaways starts tomorrow. I don't know, like YouTube updated something giving the badges right now for top funds. I know what this means. It says, yeah, top funds. So once again, ideally, I would like to see at least previous day low level taken, as well as its equal lows, right? And then, I mean, I can anticipate reaction, a reversal, not really, but reaction, yes. Yesterday, oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Even if it wants to pump first, absolutely don't care. I will look for short to Friday low and previous week low level. It's just my bias for now. I was checking yesterday news calendar, and seems like we don't have lots of important news, right? Yeah, we have important news, which is going to be FOMC meeting minutes. On Wednesday, not that significant, but still volatility. And Thursday, that's it. Monday, Tuesday, and Friday doesn't have any important news. So we will see how it goes. So we don't have major data, right? So yeah, I'm going to Steam PM session since, I mean, not since this week, next week probably, because this week is week of giveaways. I need to do this giveaway in the morning. This means this week I'm going to Steam only AM session, but next week I will switch Steaming like 3 times AM session and 2 times PM session. Maybe I will do 5 times AM session and 2 times PM session. So we will see how it goes. Maybe I can Steam every day AM session and just 2 times PM session. This means twice a day. So that's my plan on AES and NQ. You got it. So on CL, I do like to see previous week high level. I do like to see previous week high level. Maybe 71, but not right now. So I do like to see previous week high taken on CL. So are you expecting? Yeah, preferably would like to see lower. Yeah, Friday low, previous week low level. But once again, previous week low level, maybe I'm asking too much. So today, it's challenge. We have still 0 trades on new challenge. I will trade evaluation since I'm done with any other accounts. Let's see how it goes on gold. Yesterday, when I was analyzing gold for my weekly outlook, I really want to see. Give me 1 second. It's which time frame I highlighted? I don't remember. Anyway, idea was yesterday I want to see sweep of previous week high levels and drop. So far, just drop. It was so close to take previous week high level. I really expect to get sweep, then short. But since it respected hourly fair value gap, I went short. So basically, my PDR yesterday was hourly fair value gap. And it was up to you. You could trade potential hourly sweep, potential 30-minute sweep. I would say setup was exactly the same on 2 time frames. We got 5-minute OB, short this. That's it. That was the plan. But once again, just kind of tricky right now on previous. Once again, I want to see previous week high taken, sweep, short, all the way down. I want to see previous month's low, but maybe I'm asking too much once again. But I really want to see drop, so from this level. Since it failed, expecting hourly fair value gap and creating some equal highs, a bit tricky right now, but I'm still kind of more bearish on gold. Just since it failed, it's so hard to say. Maybe it will want to pump again, then drop. I mean, I don't know. But kind of watching my previous month's level as my major target. 3250.50. So we are 70 points away. Obviously not for today. But I will keep my eyes. I'm fine to see pump and then drop, So probably code for funded next futures doesn't work because it's for futures, not for CFD. That's why. Can you check again, please? Once again, as I mentioned before, I still would like to see slightly lower on NQ. Just question is if the opponent wants to retrace to New York midnight opens and drop. You tried futures? That's strange because code it didn't give you any discount at all. Let me see. That's strange then. 5% off. So deal wallet until today. That's strange then. Let me check this for you. Funded next futures. Funded next futures. Gonna check for you. Yeah, seems like it's done, but anyway, that's so strange. Because I remember it says until July 7, but probably it's done. Sorry about that. Yeah, I don't know as well, so I know. Anyway, let's focus. Yes, kind of stuck at New York midnight open while NQ sitting below this level. Maybe. Once again, if I'm like short-term bearish, like I would like to see Friday low taken, it doesn't mean like I'm bearish at all. Still market is extremely bullish, but makes sense to retrace. How many indicators normally I have? Normally, I have only 2. Normally, like every day. This one, you can see on my screen, I believe, right? Over here. That's it. That's normally what I have. Yeah, I can uncheck this, but why it highlights 4 hour if I said like I don't need 4 hour? Oh, that's why. That's why. Yeah, I got it. What about gold? Yeah, that's a great question. So on gold, I already said it, but I'm going to repeat again. Overall, I'm kind of more bearish on gold. Would like to see drop to previous month's low, which is 32.50, if I'm not mistaken. What it was? 32.50. But yesterday I expect to get this sweeping previous week high levels and drop. It was so close right at the open, but in reality, just expected hourly fair value gap and reversed. So that's my biggest concern, maybe at this point it will want to pump again to drop later. So kind of hard to say, on CL, I already said what previous week high level was my TP. And next target I have 71. Why I was bullish? Remember what I said 2 or 3 weeks ago? I don't remember when I said that, but it was a long time ago. If may close above consolidation high, I will look for 71, 70, 71 retest. So we got the closure on Wednesday. So we got closure with displacement. I'm still bullish, more bullish to previous week high level first, and then probably I would like to see 71. You want to ask me what is 71 level? I highlighted this as weekly week, but it's not just regular weekly week. So we got a small body, huge wick, and then huge displacement. So I highlighted this wick as potential. It's so bad to say it's liquidity level, but it's kind of between liquidity level and key level, like resistance. So 71 is my major target on CL. 71, 50% of weekly wick. I just don't know how to call this wick, honestly. If you know the name of this, if someone already sell courses based on this model, just tell me. I don't know what it is. Just opposite. I don't know. Just keep this on your chart. You got my point. What do you think about the price action move that happened at 5:45 a.m., I believe? Can you please be more specific about instrument? Oh, CL. Thank you. 5:45. Let me see, because I was sleeping at this time. 5:45. What happened there? I mean, nothing. That's 5 minutes. What happened? What do we have? Just nothing, like retracement to fair value gap, and am I missing something? Nothing. I wouldn't say like that's a huge move, honestly. You didn't find this because it's not available for public, but it's available with link, so I'm going to send you right now. So that's strange, What? Why it's highlighting? See this? I believe. Let me check. Nope. Anyway, so I'm still bullish on CL to 71. Just guys, I don't know the name of this week. Just 71. Keep this on your chart. It's like a rounded number, so that's fine. 71 is my primary target. Doesn't mean like we pump for like $3 right at the open. No, we can actually retrace. What is this? How can I hide this table? Exactly. So yes, if you got any prop firm, funded next futures, my funded any prop firm, you just need to log in to TradeAway, enter your username and password, and that's it. You can use this. But just activate TradeAway first, your account. Oh, you have this table as well? It's not only me? It's not only me, guys? Do you have this as well? See this? How can I hide it? Oh, perfect. At least I didn't press any button, so I don't need to figure this out. Yeah, I guess that's something wrong with TradingView at this point. Oh, you're very welcome. New feature. We didn't ask for this feature. Come on. I cannot use my chat properly at this point. Yeah, I see. I'm holding. Yeah. What? I cannot quickly press this. Anyway, annoying. I guess they will fix this. So once again, I'm still short-term bullish on NQN. Yes, I do like to see further low taken. But let's see how it goes. Yeah, kind of annoying, I agree with you guys. Because I cannot do this quickly, you know. I need to anyway. Well, I hope they're going to fix this because I can send the message them, but it's annoying. I cannot move my chart if I'm going to. Just need to send them email. You can deactivate it. Which button? Oh, I got it. Thank you. Way better. See this, guys, over here? Thank you so much. Just disable, guys. Oh, that's nice. We figured this out. Woohoo! You sent me message on Twitter. I'm going to check this because lots of messages. Yeah, thank you guys. You figured this out. Didn't take forever. So once again, guys, I'm still looking for continuation lower. We need to take London low. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. We need to take London low and preferably Friday low. Just looking at current structure, what we have on 4-hour and hourly, we got potential. I mean, not potential sweep anymore. So maybe I don't mind to see retracement to this 5-minute fair value gap to continue dropping to London low. And how many points we are away? Like 100 points away from previously low level. Yeah, let's see how it goes. How long have you been doing social media? For 2 years. Yes. 2 years? Yeah, 2 years, I believe. Do you trade signals? I mean, I never bought any courses in my life, as well as Discord groups, so I don't have to I don't have someone to follow signals, unfortunately. I'm not sure. I mean, on high time frame, I'm still bullish, but on lower time frame, just kind of makes sense to retrace to previous week low level, especially on ES, since we got flat candle. So basically, candle that doesn't have wick. I anticipate to get delayed manipulation, and also it can be moved from external to internal, you know, like weekly fair value, previous week low level, right at the top of weekly fair value gap. So it can be internal range liquidity, which kind of makes sense. Kind of makes sense. So let's see how it goes. Just not going to like blindly enter the trades. If it's going to be bullish structure, I mean bullish shift, I will change my mind and probably it's going to be bullish. So let's see. It's Monday, so on Monday I don't have any weekly profiles, I don't have any daily profiles, so I have nothing, you know. Take profit trader. 2-minute chart. My funded futures. Everything works well today, which is nice. Is Tanya your friend? I mean, it's like my online friend, yes. I cannot say like we are real friends because I never saw her in real life, but she's nice. So she's nice. Like online friends, you know. Trading sister. So we don't have OB and two-minute chart just yet. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to keep my eyes on different instruments, gold, CL, to keep you updated. But once again, I'm more bullish on CL. What about gold? Makes sense to trace higher first before drop. My birthday is tomorrow, but thank you. Tomorrow is birthday giveaway, so it's going to be my funded futures tomorrow. Tomorrow is my funded futures giveaway, so it's going to be nice. Who are other members of Lumi Traders? What do you mean by this? So I didn't get your question. I'm not in Miami, so I live in Central Florida. So, like 3 hours away from Miami. Oops. It's okay. So tomorrow is going to my funded futures. Next day is going to be something else. So week of giveaways. Every day we are going to do giveaways. I mean, we can still do take profit trader, but I'm going to do more than one account. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So the question is if I get M2 model to upside. Okay, probably it's ready to R. Never mind. Of course, and never mind. It's impossible to engage. Just M2 model to add to journal, but that's it. Impossible to engage. Anyway, just going to add to my journal with M2 model for 9 a.m. because I backtested lots of 10 a.m. but didn't backtest at 9 a.m. Anyway, going to just add this to my journal. Boom. Well, quickest M2 model in my life. Anyway. So we got sweep on hourly, price retrace to New York midnight open as I mentioned before. So let's see how we can respect New York midnight open. So kind of, like barrier for price to go higher. So normally price trying to respect this level. So let's see how it goes. Look at the strong rejection so far. We have nothing good on gold just yet to engage. Three-minute chart. Nothing good yet. I'm going to sit right now on NQ because keeping my eyes on gold, like nothing I like, right? Just for now. CL, a 5-minute chart. Same there. London session trader, yeah. Did you trade London today? Because I remember you backtested London, so share with me if London offered something, because I didn't check, honestly. I took trades for Asia. I didn't take any trades yet today. Sitting flat so far. Sitting flat. Funny how it just, for this MTU model, it's just funny to see how it just respected like 2R and reversed. What is this? Like, what is this? It's just crazy, right? Coincidentally, it lined up with New York Midnight Open. You know, sometimes I just feel like it's extremely like magical, because price reverse from 2R pretty much often, and you just aiming for 2R. It's not like liquidity level. Sometimes you don't have any levels on this 2R, and just price magically reverse from 2R. What? Especially on gold, this happens a lot. For example, I believe it was not Friday. Friday was holiday. It was Wednesday, right? I took on gold like 2 shorts, 2R, and simply reversal from 2R. I'm like, what? Well, we're trying to respect New York Midnight Open, and just trying to sell from New York Midnight Open, as I mentioned before. It was our original plan, right? But so far I see 0 setups. I mean, maybe it will offer some sort of structure on 3-minute chart, which is going to be 3-minute OB. But right now, we got signal of potential 30-minute sweep. We traced the 30-minute fair value gap. Probably I will try to engage, but look at this. So see this displacement. So I don't see 3-minute OB. So probably if I want to engage, I would do something like this. But in reality, just displacement and straight move down. What? How many points to are on gold? Totally depends. Sometimes it's going to be like you risking 10 points, and at this point 2R is going to be 20 points, you know? It just depends on the model, depends on stop loss. You know, it was kind of risky to enter right at the open. So, I mean, I'm going to add this to journal because I'm just collecting data for M2 model for 9 a.m. But honestly, it was kind of risky to enter right at the open because we got pumped right at the open. Yeah, we could get to R if, like, why not with 1 micro, for example. But let's be honest, kind of risky to enter right at the open. I just like, I'm going to enter to journal just to collect some data. But volatility is crazy. But I saw many times when price just offered this kind of perfect M2 model, but it was right at the open. I mean, like, so we don't have 3-minute OB just yet. Yeah, sometimes it's better to stay away from making stupid mistakes, right? I wouldn't call like the stupid mistakes, but it's extremely aggressive entry. Oh, you just passed your my funded futures 50K evaluation with this drop? Oh, that's nice. So guys, let's hit the like to the giveaway. We need to have 400 likes to the giveaway. Right? Well, guys, we just got 3-minute order block. Let me delete that one, so it's looking confusing. We got SMT with ES, we got 3-minute order block, we got potential 30 minutes sweep with retracement to 30-minute fair value gap, right? Also, we trace to hourly OB. So let's see how price can react right now from this order block. How? What? No, sure. Absolutely zero trades yet. Took nothing today. Absolutely nothing. So on gold, kind of trying to stay away right now. I don't see like lots of good setups. I mean, I don't see any setups just yet to enter on gold. I don't like this week like lots of weak setup right now. I will probably stay away from taking any trades on gold just yet. I didn't take any trades this morning. I took absolutely nothing just yet. Sitting flat, guys. Zero trades. Yeah, it's Monday, so I'm trying to like chill. Let's see how it goes. No complaints, you know. I don't like we have SMT. I don't like how ES looks right now. It looks absolutely ugly. See this? How we stuck at this New York midnight open. I mean, looks ugly, you know. So I will probably just trying to stay away. I mean, like, better to do this. This week I will try to record new video about top-down analysis on gold, how I execute gold and CL. So deep dive into model, how to trade gold, how to trade CL. It is going to be like, you know, second part of previous video about gold and CL. I hope you're going to enjoy this. If you could trade only 2 hours, I would say between 7 and 9 a.m. best time to trade gold and CL. That's my opinion. So yeah, record new video. So you know, guys, I'm just trying to cover everything I know. I just want to like do like for example, I don't want to say like you're 5 years old, but I'm trying to explain like you're 5. So just deep explanation. So everyone must understand this. Remember what I said, I guess 2 weeks ago. If you're not going to understand how, or you're not going to find any model with what I explained for gold and CL, this means I did something wrong. I'm watching gold right now. I'm just nothing I like there, honestly. Just not worth it, just yet, in my opinion. Just yet. But I'm not going to lie. I'm extremely profitable right now with gold. And I remember someone told me, it was like maybe like 3-4 months ago, said, all girls trade gold. Why don't trade gold as well? I was like, what? But they actually were right about this. Because gold actually pays like a lot. So I do like how gold moves. Your backtest result is based on, give me 1 second. Yeah, mostly 7 and 9. Yes, 7 and 9. So I wouldn't say it's ugly price action, you know, but it's Monday. Monday doesn't have any important news so far. Yes, gold works. I know the guy who traded M2 model on CL, I believe, and he said like, that's actually great. I don't know if he's in the chat right now or not, but he said it's amazing, works so well. So just no any trades right now because I don't like how ES looks at this moment. Look at ES, just stuck at New York midnight open. I would like to see any signs of bearishness to short in Q. I just like absolutely nothing, so sitting flat right now. Didn't take any trades on gold and CL this morning. Just chilling right now. Oh, good job. Epic's 80% off deal ends tomorrow, just in case you didn't know about this. It's time to get some accounts evaluations. I need to have more evaluations, you know, to trade this kind of price action. So I can protect my funded accounts, but I can trade evaluations, I believe. So I need to get more. I have won my funded futures so far. Evaluation phase, I wouldn't say, especially on Apex, it's not that hard to pass quickly, especially one day to pass. I mean, it's also easy to blow this account. We want Apex 90% off. Yeah, me too. I can pass extra 20 accounts at least. I remember when Apex was running 90% off and $85 activation fee, I was like, need to get this. This is how I passed my PA accounts. Yeah, absolutely nothing on gold is going on so far, so I don't want to take any trades there. Kind of consolidation, a bit choppy. Yeah, I will stay away from taking any trades on gold. Yes, my funded futures evaluation. I got this evaluation for challenge to trade this on Steams, but so far just begin balance there, no trades there. So guys, I'm not in this short, just for information if you just joined, because I don't like how ES looks at this moment to take the short. It was just plan. Let's see how it goes. If ES may confirm this, just nothing yet. Just nothing yet. If you're new on my channel, from July 8 to July 11, I will do giveaways, not just one account. It's going to be different types of accounts, stuff for giveaway. So guys, don't miss this. Tomorrow at 8:50 a.m. I will start doing giveaway. I didn't decide if it's going to be like part of accounts in the morning, part of accounts by the end of stream. I didn't decide just yet, but let's see how it goes. If you're going to hit 400 likes today, I will do just single account giveaway. Is it good risk management to trade? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's absolutely great. Once again, if you have 50k account, I would say $200 is all you need, like every day. So yeah, that's great. Yes, overall did absolutely nothing so far. That's a concern. See how we stuck at New York Midnight Open? Just barcoding so far. I mean, I don't like it. Let's check CL real quick. So we got reaction from previous week high level, but once again, 71 remains my key level. Let me turn this off as well. 71 remains my key level. Just not sure, of course, if it's going to pump today. Probably not. It's lots of points to pump, like more than $3 move up. Impossible. But still, nothing invalidates continuation higher just yet. I mean, yes, we got reaction from previous week high level, but we have zero signs of smart money reversal just yet. I would say still bullish. At least nothing invalidates this just yet. You want giveaway from last Tuesday and you didn't receive. Did you create account? You don't need to open any ticket. Did you create account? Do you have like account? You don't need to buy any account. Just create account with your email and create password and blah blah blah. Do you have it? Okay. I will check this end for you. So yeah, I was a bit slow with giveaways. And on gold, once again, yesterday before market open, I expect to get structure like this, as you can see with my black arrow. It failed. Simply, yeah, as respected hourly fair value gap, and that's it. So at this point, still the question, open question, you know, if you're going to pump, then drop, or just going to be straight move down. So that's why I don't really like this just yet. A bit choppy overall. Yeah. Sitting flat, chilling right now, no complaints. Just kind of tricky price action. It's Monday with no news, so I would say that's fine. It's Seal's oil, not light. Not listen to him. It's oil futures. On gold, I just mentioned that like less than 2 minutes ago. Kind of would like to see lower on gold, but yesterday I anticipate to get previous week high taken, then drop. Instead, it just created equal highs, and I'm thinking like, what should I think about this? It will take equal highs first in order to drop, or just going to be straight move down, but so far I don't see any confirmation for short. You should try YM. Guys, I will backtest YM, not going to just open YM and start trading this. I need to collect more data. Yeah, I saw lots of people told me like, Dasha, YM is way better than NQ. Yes, why don't trade this? And I don't have answer for this. I need to trade this somehow. Just need to backtest. Any specific strategies you trade on YM? What you're looking at? Yeah, today I took 0 trades on gold. Like on CL, absolutely nothing. I took Asia on gold, that's it. I didn't take any trades this morning, like at all. Oh, for SMT, I don't want to use SMT YM as SMT with ES and NQ because I saw many times YM just straight move down while NQ and ES going higher. I cannot trust this. The question is if YM manipulating down to go higher or NQ and ES is manipulating up to go down. That's always an open question, you know. So maybe I will try to trade YM, but not going to use as SMT with ES and NQ. YM SMT with RTY works nice. Oh, that's actually interesting. Never tried. I traded RTY, I guess, just 2 times in my life. Yeah, SMT, someone said like YM works perfect with RTY SMT. Oh, nothing right now to even confirm. Like nothing, just watching, just choppy price action. We got the question about gold, if it's going to pump first. Honestly, yesterday before market open, I really was thinking about move on gold. Let me delete this, just maybe it's looking confusing. I was thinking about previous week high taken on gold, then drop. In reality, just created equal highs, which makes me feel like maybe it will try to pump again. Why did it decide to leave that liquidity level? Why? To pump later? To drop again? I mean, like fake move down in order to manipulate higher to drop again? You know, like, kind of tricky. Look at this week. So far, we have pretty much bullish week on both 30-minute and hourly chart. But still nothing I like. So nothing I want to take here. Even in evaluation account. I like absolutely nothing. Oh, okay. I would say maybe it's a bit early to trade gold. Asia was absolutely amazing, and it was obvious because we got equal lows that was building for 2 days. So short was kind of obvious, but right now looking at gold, I like absolutely nothing. Nothing is obvious just yet. If I want to long, what high time frame level I would like to use to trade from, right? If I want to short, what high time frame level I would like to use to trade from? So there is question. The 950, I would say yes. Gold sometimes moves so well between 950 and 1010, so I would say yes. I wouldn't say that because of macro. I would say something is going on at this time. Oh, I took nothing taken. Absolutely 0 trades. Nothing I like even to try to trade. So choppy on ES. So ES is better New York midnight open. I simply cannot short in Q because ES still bullish. When it's trying to respect New York midnight open, it's good bullish signal, you know. So I cannot short at this point in Q. ES needs to validate structure for short. Nothing I like. Just sitting flat so far. You know, like 5 minutes ago it looked NQ looked bearish. 5 minutes later it looks bullish. While ES was bullish from the very beginning, you know. It offered zero structure. While, as you can see, it offered 3-minute OB. It offered absolutely nothing over here. So I would say NQ trying to follow ES right now. So since ES is bullish, NQ trying to be bullish as well. July 4, it was heavy rain all day, but we watched fireworks. It was amazing, like huge fireworks near my house. So it was nice. Kids enjoy this. It was around like 15-20 minutes firework with no stop. It was amazing. Kids enjoy this. Sweep alert. So you can try to use multi-time frame sweep and alert this indicator. So you can just enable this option to have confirmed sweep. I don't need this, so basically I need potential sweep. That's why I use this. Do you see this dot? What is this? So, and yes, you can set alert. Just go to the 3 dots, add alert, and set alert. Just pick options you need over here. Yeah, at Stadium. Yes, exactly, there. Wait a minute. Yes, it was there. It was like, I believe it was at the park. We have like field there. It was nice. Kids enjoy this, so. Your app name? Which one? Which app? I didn't get it. Which app? For charting? It's TradingView, if it was the question. I'm just not sure which question it was. What kind of question it was. So right now, Chappy, absolutely nothing I even want to try an evaluation. So today I'm going to send new emails. So I was busy on Friday, I didn't send any emails on Friday. So I'm going to send tonight. And can you please let me know tomorrow if you get any emails, please? Well, guys, so boring right now. It at least gold trying to pump. You want to see 31, 35. Basically, we have flat candle, so maybe you're right about this level. 5-minute flat candle. What time it was? Okay. I don't usually know London high, London low. Kind of, I don't like anything. I mean, it may pump over here. Yes, you're right about flat candle on 5-minute chart. But honestly, I don't like any interest yet. I'm getting daily emails. What kind of email did you receive? So I will tell you if it's me or not. If I'm going to sell you something, it's not me. Everything I send is free. You're thinking about gold long. What level you would like to aim for? So I would say 33, 32.50 makes sense to me. Yeah. Makes sense to me because we got flat candle on 5-minute chart. But honestly, since it's a bit choppy, so I kind of have no interest right now. Oh, that's not me, obviously. No. Blockchain. Oh, that's not me. If I'm going to ask you for money, that's not me. Block immediately. You know, guys, I'm always trying to find something free for you, so obviously I'm not going to sell you anything at this point. Guys, can you please check if you go to the description of my video if I have link for multi-time frame SIP and alert indicator. If not, I'm going to update right now in description. Can you please check for me real quick? Someone. I believe I don't have it. Well, update the page right now. Update the page right now and just scroll down to description. I added a link for each indicator, so it's going to be easier for you guys right now to follow this. Good morning. Good morning. I believe we have in the chat the guy who created this. He posted video on his YouTube how to use this indicator. I will try to find the link and I will share tomorrow. If you're here right now, can you please send in the chat link for your YouTube video about this, about settings for this indicator, please? Because I saw this morning he was in the chat, just not sure if he is right now. Everything listed, perfect. So just once again, go to description of my stream, scroll all the way down at calls like indicators or something like this, and you will find this. So at this point, I'm not going to use this box, so I need potential sweeps, and at this point I use potential sweep. If you want to have confirmed sweep, just check here. It will show you, not potential, but confirmed sweep. What ICT? It's, you know, ICT is not model, so ICT doesn't have any model. So ICT has concept. So what kind of model I trade by using ICT concept, I guess, is going to be better question. So basically trading order blocks. So guys, just for now, I was looking for move higher on gold, but once again, I like absolutely nothing to trade here. Oh, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So once again on gold, I will keep my eyes on 32.50. So we got break above previous day low level. So we got break above consolidation high as well. So yeah, it created 3-minute OB after we got potential 30-minute sweep. So price never retraced there. So at this point, what can happen? Probably I will look for something like this at this point. If we get this, of course. Don't trade gold. You know, you said it's highly manipulated, but I would say NQ is highly manipulated lately. But at least I can recommend, I will tell you this right now. Trade what works better for you. I'm doing better on gold than on NQ. Just saying. So, trade, once again, everything works. Everything works. We got sweep of previous short-term buy side liquidity level. We got the test of New York midnight open. I'm still looking for continuation, probably lower. Yeah, once you can get the closure below this up-close candle should drop. Maybe. I think so. I think so. So looking for to create new order block on 3-minute chart. And if we get this, let's see if we drop at this point. How big? range so far. 50 points. That's not good. I think so. New York midnight. It's going to be 2 hours at least. Barely. But it's okay. Let's see how it goes. Ta-ta-tam. Come on. Not that fast. See how ES trying to confirm structure to downside? Let's see if my take previous the low level. If so, that's going to be amazing. We got the closure, we got breaker block on 3-minute chart, we got order block. So let's see, retracement continuation. On gold, absolutely nothing happened so far. Also looking right now on ES, kind of, in sync at least. We got OB on 3-minute chart as well. Can't say like it's A+ because it's pretty much choppy so far. But overall, we got breaker block, we got inversion. I mean, we kind of got the confirmation of smart money reversal to downside so far. It's 3-minute chart. What we have on 2-minute chart? 10:03, silver bullet time. We didn't get OB on 2-minute chart. On both yes and it failed. What about 5-minute chart? We got SMT at low, so that's pretty much it. So still sitting with no trades. Let's see if I can engage today. So choppy right now. Guys, I still would like to see lower. Let's see if I'm engaging this. Let me read the chat. In Q left equal highs. You don't think price may pump? Totally possible. Let's see. Sitting flat right now, so I took absolutely 0 trades yet. Flat. Do you have TradingView promo code? I believe, yes, I do have it. Code should be the same everywhere. Try, let me know how it works. Because I believe they sent me email about 80% off like a couple of days ago. It's up to you. I have a latest option. I mean, you don't need latest option. I have, I guess, expert or something like this. You don't need this. So I would say some people use just essential, and that works better for them. I believe only bad option. You cannot have lots of layouts and indicators, but we don't need lots of layouts and indicators. So, yeah, I would say essential or pro is way to go. That's all you need, honestly. Hello. Good morning, guys who just joined. Good morning. On 15-minute breaker blocks, breaker block expected. Yes, thank you. CL gold. Oh, you mean this one, right? We got a couple of SMTs at lows. Oh, thank you. Same one. Okay, I got it. Chappy, guys. If you want to use my code on my funded futures, which by the way will give you 50% off on any plan, any size, just use code Lumi. That's pretty much it. And thank you for supporting me. Okay, new video on YouTube is going to be about gold and CL, how I trade this, how I trade Asia, how I trade pre-market with gold, and I will show you how I use SMT there. So it's going to be covered in that video. We'll try to cover everything I know about gold and CL. You want to see gold slightly higher? I mean, I do agree with you. I would like to see gold slightly higher as well. Oh, you're very welcome. This means if after watching second part of my videos about gold and CL, you're not going to get this, you're not going to be profitable with this, you can block me everywhere. Just unfollow me, unsubscribe everywhere. This means I did something wrong. I'm so confident you're going to be profitable with this. Just trust me. If not, then I'm doing something wrong. I did wrong, just unfollow me. I'm a scammer at this point. Forgot to say, it's going to be free. Which video? It's shared on my YouTube, just in case you missed this, but I'm going to share again if you want. Second part is coming this week. Oh, you watch all my videos? Thank you. I'm doing my best to explain the stuff. Good morning. Kind of boring per section so far. We're just chilling. Was watching gold, was watching CL. It's just boring so far. Flat. Sitting flat. Ting. Oh, gold retraced to demand fair value gap. Just saw that. So yeah, let's see if we create new high again. To pump to 5-minute flat candle, 33, 32.50, somewhere there. Yeah, you can rewatch as many times as you want. Soybeans, nope. How it works. Which... Give me 1 second. I mean, we have lots of types of futures trade. We have bonds, we have crypto, we have indices. Just need to trade to try to trade something, you know? See how many futures we have? Crazy. For soybeans, what instrument for soybeans? Which instrument? What's the name of that symbol? Jelly beans group, let's go! Yeah, flat candle basically candle doesn't have wick. I mean, some people trade corn, which is nothing wrong with this. I'm just not sure what kind of instrument is that. We can trade jelly beans, so why not? So boring price action. I mean, I expected a bit more. Because if NQ is choppy, at least gold is moving. But gold is also choppy right now. CL as well. What to trade right now? I mean, that's Monday with no news. Why I'm surprised. Right? Why are you surprised, Dasha? Like, you expect to get that? Potential. Honestly, I was looking for slightly higher on gold. Maybe something like this. Boom. Maybe something like this. Every indicator the share is free. Guys, if you see I recommend you something, it's free. I don't want to recommend you something that you need to pay for. So if I recommend something, it must be free. I almost never recommend something that you need to pay for. Once again. You expect to get short? I mean, possibly. Let's see if we pump first. Slightly higher. A little bit higher. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. At this point, at least, yes, and you can pump. Drop, not pump. I need slower. No, I mean, this evaluation I need to pass. I hope I'm going to pass this, not fail. I'm going to trade this every time on Steam, even if it's going to be funded, so I don't care. Just once again, I'm looking for a high quality setup to, even if it's not high quality, at least B plus setup. Look at ES. ES doesn't want to trap at all, so. I mean, I got the evaluation to try to trade even like not best setups, but even right now we don't have not best setup. We have nothing, unfortunately. So yeah, looking at gold overall, I do like to see previous month's low taken, but yesterday I expect to get previous week high taken, then drop. In reality, they created equal highs with this previous week high level and dropped. So I'm kind of more bearish on gold, but I cannot say for sure if we are not going to pump first back to previous week high level. Maybe that's too much, but you got it, you got it. The forever model. I have no idea what is forever model. Like, at all. Lots of models, you know, nowadays. I have no idea what kind of model you're talking about. What is forever model? It's like unicorn? Did I miss something? What is forever model? It's something great that works so nice. My cat is straight forever model. What is this? It just order block with. Well, I guess everyone trades the same, just calls it differently. Just call this sweep. That's it. Keep it simple. So we don't need to guess what is forever means. Forever model means. Just trade sweep. It's sweep. A sweep. We got order block. We got SMT. Just trade this. I mean, like, I have no idea who even created the creator of this model. I'm not going to lie. This indicator, oh my god. Anyway, not going to use this. Oh, 2 degrees? They have a model? I didn't know about that. Sniper trader. Well, I don't know who is this. Twins model? That's also ugly name. It's basically 2 1-minute fair value gaps in a row. I mean, watch this. So I don't need to explain that. Yeah, people just rename stuff. I mean, like, it's okay if it works for them. Once again, I just said that I guess Ryan Dodge posted on his Twitter that he annoys to see people who rename ICT models. But I posted this as like nothing wrong with naming models. If it works, like if you easy for you understand what is this, as long as you don't sell courses based on this model. So keep this simple. If it's sweep, it's sweep. If it's, I don't know, like fair value gap with breaker block, ICT calls this unicorn, that's unicorn. Don't need to rename this with different names. Keep this simple. Keep this simple. Keep this simple, guys. Sweep. Yeah, by the way, funny name. You know, the naming, well, it's fine. ICT doesn't have the model, once again. ICT is a concept. It's not model. In this concept, you can pick this stuff, this thing, and just create your own model using ICT concept. Once again, you need to build your own model using ICT concept around this concept. But ICT itself is not model. So I would say people, once again, people are free to use whatever they want. Like if it wants to be forever model, well. If it wants to be, what kind of model do we have? Lots of different models, you know. If you don't sell any courses with this simple stuff, that's fine. I mean, even if you want to sell courses, whatever, sell this. Who cares? Who is ICT? Yeah. Who is ICT? Yeah. You serious? Yeah, you know, lots of different models. Just build that works for you. And call this whatever you like. Who cares? But if you're going to name 2022 model as, I don't know, like, what's the name? Any name you like, and sell, of course, it's like, okay, that's 101% win rate model. You will get hate. You will get hate on this, so unfortunately. Gold short. I do like to see 33.32 first. Oh, I'm on chart right now, so I would like to see flat candle be traced to 3-minute fair value gap. Let's see if my pump slightly higher on gold. So I'm not ready to short just yet. No, not short yet. You know, I don't want to rename simple stuff. If it's like M2 model, this means it's going to be a 2-minute time frame. That's it. Easy to understand. If it's going to be potential sweep, this means it's potential sweep. Classic turtle soup. Hello. Even turtle soup sounds more tricky than potential sweep, you know? 33.48 gold short. By the way, maybe, yeah. 48 also works for me. At this point, previous VK makes more sense, but that's fine. That's still valid, so I don't want to change my mind with structure. I'm not going to lie, yes, and Q is garbage. Not tradable right now. Even CL, not best. And gold, I wouldn't say like it's great price action as well. A bit choppy, unfortunately. You want to see 33.35? Yeah, that works. 33.35, 33.32, somewhere there. Already reacted. Slightly higher will be better, honestly. Just slightly higher. We're inside huge fair value gap right now. I will be surprised to see institutional order flow entry drill since it's huge fair value gap. I mean, hope to get move higher still. Another $4 or $5 on gold will be better. No, just analyzing this. I long gold now. Where is entry? 3-minute fair value gap. If you rate now 1.5 R, move at break even. Remember what I said. Once you up 1.5 R, move at break even no matter what is going to happen if you are in free trade. If you entered of the 3-minute fair value gap, just move at break even. That's it. Especially with 1.5 R. Just trust me. Then yes, hold it. Yeah, hold it. Don't care about this anymore. Wait for 2R. That's it. Just try to follow your rules, you know, if you want to aim for 2R like every day, like strictly 2R and nothing more, just 2R, that's it. Gold also inside huge 4-hour fair value gap. Yeah, you good. Just hold it. Let's chill, guys. So let's hit the like button for 400 likes to the giveaway. Yeah, price action a bit boring right now. Yes, and NQ simply consolidating, but that's normal for Monday with no news at all. Oh, basically ICT. Where is my 1 second? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh. Found it. Bum, 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 bum. Not sure you're gonna see this. Let me pull this a little bit for you. Just need to find the picture for this at this point. I not sure if you're gonna see it. You should see type of entries, right? See this? I'm just not sure I can see this. Anyway, it should have like type of entries. So at this point, sorry guys, we have 50% of fair value gap. We have institutional order flow entry drill if it's like bearish fair value gap at this point. Okay, for example, over here. What is institutional order flow entry drill is middle line. So it's if it's bullish fair value gap, everything above 50% of this fair value gap is institutional order flow entry drill. If it's going to touch 50%, it's reaction from 50%. And we have complete fill. We balance this fair value gap 100%. So yeah. I have like mouse pad with old stuff on this huge one, right? Let me fold it. Oh, that's mouse pad. Like you can put like keyboard, your mouse on this, on your desk. Yep. So yeah. Oh, you bought my book as first edition book. Thank you so much. It's my mouse pad, but just for information, I also bought this. So I sell this, and I also bought for the same money as you. For example, you paid if you got this as well. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get this for free. I need to pay for mouse pad as well as I need to pay for shipping. Yeah, that's a huge one. It's large or extra large, I believe. Yeah, it's long. It's like you can put your mouse, keyboard, and even your laptop. So it's right now like everything on my mouse pad. Yes. So basically, initially it was just black one, and I added some stuff on this, like absolutely simple stuff, like what kind of we have fair value gap, implied fair value gap, inversion fair value gap, balance price range, BPR, how it looks. So, and UV opening day, if it's useless, that's perfect. I'm happy for you. I don't force you to buy this. For me, it's good to, to use this. No distraction. It's like not bright color there. Five-minute chart. Yeah, of course. What we have on 5-minute chart? Equal highs? Oh, we have equal highs on gold so far. Yeah, so far just trying to respect hourly and fair value gap. Equal highs above. Oh, you don't need to buy anything. No, it's not necessary. Structure not bearish yet. So we just did trace to 5-minute OB. Let's see. Structure not bearish yet. Just yet. Kind of boring price action. That's annoying. Expect to see a bit more, honestly, from price action today. At least from gold or CL. Just in reality, we're just chopping around. But I'm not going to risk more than $400. So if stop loss is going to be, let's say, 20 points on NQ, I will trade 1 minimum. NQ? What is going on in NQ? Yeah, I'm going to use $400. So no trades yet. It's just choppy. See this price action? Just stuck in this consolidation. Why? 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 Just start moving, please. So overall on NQ, I would like to sell over to Friday low and previous week low level for 25k. That's my recommendation, but you can follow your own risk management. So don't risk more than $200. How many micros on evaluation? Like 10 micros, 15 micros, depends on risk. So just trying to have fixed risk, for example, $400. And I'm going to adjust my contracts according to this risk. If it's going to be 10 point stop loss, so I'm going to trade 20 or 2 minutes, 20 micros or 2 minutes. Just depends on risk. Cannot say for sure if it's going to be, for example, just for now, it's going to be my, I'm going to trade 15 micros all the time. No. Yeah, I bought new evaluation, my funded futures, I believe starter plus. So yeah, I got it with 50% discount. Guys, if you want to participate in a challenge, you can get my funded futures 50% off as well, as I did. So many games, guys, so many games so far. Tomorrow is my birthday, guys. This means I'm going to do giveaways to celebrate birthday giveaways. Oh, I'm going to show you real quick the deals that we have so far. So yeah, take profit trader running 40% off right now. So with no activation fee, up to 5 accounts and daily payouts. So if I want to pick between all pro firms that you can see on your screen, I would pick probably according to deals and overall payouts, my funded futures, then take profit traders and Tradify. Just personal recommendation. I still would like to see lower. I don't know why they're trying to play so many games. So many games. Oh, YM already did the move? You want to tell me like YM took Friday low? Tomorrow, let me see. I believe, I don't remember. I just don't remember how many accounts. I prepared the list, but don't remember. I'm going to check for you just for now. Ten accounts for giveaway tomorrow. 10 accounts. To giveaway. Structure still remains more bullish on gold. At least nothing invalidates idea of continuation higher just yet. We don't have any bearish shift just yet, so I'm probably still a bit more bullish than bearish on gold. Will you win? I hope so. I wish you good luck. You trying to be hater? Hating my accent? Do this. I don't care. If you can laugh on this, that's nice. Yes, 50K accounts. Yes, tomorrow I will do 10 accounts. Tomorrow, for Monday. So, no, not trade just yet. It just, nothing is going on so far. I mean, I do like to see lower, but I don't see the structure. I mean, even B plus structure. I have more than 30 accounts. If I want to count like 20 Apex accounts. Funded next futures, good prop firm, so you can trade with them. Best in terms of like passing evaluation, you need to make 2500, not to lose 2500. Best ratio in my opinion. So yeah, you don't need to pay for the second month, third month, fourth month. So just one time evaluation fee. So worth it. New risk. I guess answer this question, but $400. I'm going to risk $400 per trade on my new evaluation. So for giveaway tomorrow, I will do my funded futures. But if you're asking about funded accounts, I said 20 Apex accounts. Yes, Apex. That's nothing is going on so far. It's so annoying. So I already said I would like to see slightly lower. I mean, I don't see bullish setup just yet. For example, to invalidate the short idea, but yeah, I kind of more bearish. Do you ever trade gold? Maybe like 2 times. I traded this 2 times and I wasn't trade more than 3 hours. Not worth it. I mean, I do trade take profit trader most of the time. I would say yes, you can trade only take profit trader. I mean, yes, that's absolutely brilliant idea, and that's why I trade this mostly. They don't have like stupid rules for payout, so you can trade with them. Highly recommend them. One of the best prop firm ever I ever saw in my life. Always, I had zero issue. All my friends who trade take profit trader has zero issue. So think about this. Best prop firm, one of the best prop firm in my opinion. I don't know, like I had zero issue, and I never saw actually bad reviews about Take Profit Trader, but only about their support. From my experience, once again, from my experience, Topstep also a good prop firm, but they removed trader weight, so I'm not fan of the Topstep X honestly, but nothing wrong with them. Overall, Topstep is solid prop firm, but talking about if I can trade this on TraderWord and need a trader, let's talk about this. Take Profit Trader, my funded futures, Apex, Tradify. That's all I can recommend. 4 best prop firms. I'm even not sure if I want to put my funded futures on the first place or Take Profit Trader. Like, they sit in both on first place. Take Profit Trader and my funded futures. Yeah, I mean, I'm fine with accent. I just need to find the teacher who's going to teach me how to remove this accent. Not because people told me, like, because I want to do this. I really want to have English teacher to improve English. I mean, overall, I want to work on this, not because people told me this. I don't really care about someone's opinion, but I need to find a teacher who wants to be my English teacher. I mean, no, like overall to improve English. Like learn more words, more phrases, to sound smart, you know? Yeah, that's why I asked, do we have native speakers here? I believe so, but oh, ChatGPT doing great? Oh, that's interesting. I guess I just need to communicate more with native speakers to learn some new words. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, you sent me a message like maybe 1 year ago. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, my husband is Russian too. I realized that I need to improve my English when my son started like fixing my words. Like, you said that wrong. You said that wrong. You said that wrong. I'm like, stop saying this. Oh, tomorrow is. Yeah, Inquiry is struggling right now. Annoying, boring. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Yeah, that's actually an interesting point about ChatGPT. You need to just try this. I know there are lots of apps who created to work. I mean, I have app. It calls um like bold boys. They working about accent, but for some reason I guess want to have a real person who are going to talk with me. Yeah, that's why I said like it's hard to use OIM for SMT with ES and NQ while ES is dropping hard and NQ and ES doing nothing. Yeah, my husband speaks Russian. Yeah, even gold. What are you doing? Just pump to those equal highs and 5 minute flat candle. Yeah, that's why I want to have like a real person who's going to talk with me. I mean, I know not lots of, I know few Russian people who speak without accent at all. It sounds so nice. Yeah, I was born in Belarus, not in Russia, but anyway. I wasn't born in the US. I'm in the US for a bit more than 8 years. It must pump over here, so setup's still valid. Sounds scary? Yeah, I would say yes. Activision. Oh, man. I don't use kill zones at all, like, I'm not going to lie, especially on gold, I don't use any kill zones. I don't use any, like, previous day high, previous day low, mostly I use, like, near liquidity levels and try to react, because normally I'm aiming for 2R, so I don't need more than 2R. That's why, like, I don't care about kill zones. I mean, yesterday I got in short in Asia for 8 points, right after this it dropped another 30 points. So for my entry it dropped 40 points, and I was like, it's better to have 2R and be safe, or just sit in this trade until it stopped me out and just watching this chart every 3 minutes. I decided like 2R is better. So what accent? I mean, the Russian accent is nice. I love it. Gold is amazing. Yeah, I mean, should pump higher, I believe so. No, I'm not on this trade. Especially on NQ, no, I'm not on this trade. Not worth it, you know? Especially people who has drawdown, trading drawdown, it's like just account blowing day. I expect to get NQ slightly lower. Doesn't make any sense not to drop, honestly. I like the who is this girl? How many will I have just one evaluation? Other performance is just funded accounts. I have one evaluation in my funded futures. Oh, okay, I got it. So when it's born, you guys, I have you, so I can talk with you guys. Kind of, I still have same bias, so nothing changed. I still would like to see lower on NQ. At least nothing invalidates this. I still would like to see higher on gold. At least nothing invalidates this. So that's it. Personal, pretty much almost every day. I have no idea how people are rotating accounts, honestly. No, just copy this. Copy accounts, and that's the best option that people created for traders, honestly. So best option ever is just copy across all accounts. Short now, just trust me. I mean, you talking about NQ? Yeah, I agree with you. I would like to see lower as well. I would like to see this setup actually plays out. That's only what makes sense to me. I don't see any other setups. Only this one and this one. And on gold, I would like to see, I mean, move over here from 3-minute fair value gap to 5-minute flat candle. That's it. I don't see any other setups, and nothing invalidated, so I still consider this as valid trade. Oh yeah, I'm going to pass evaluation only on stream. That's it. Just I don't want to trade this consolidation. Be moving from discount to premium. I don't feel like it's worth it. Even on evaluation, just no point. I can risk, $400. I'm not sure if it's going to be 0.5% risk. No, just not worth it, honestly. It just that price action, this consolidation, unnecessary, unnecessary losses right now. Of course, I can take this. It's not going to hurt my account. Because it's evaluation. But guys, just not worth it to trade this consolidation. See this? Yeah, I have lots of viewers outside of US. Yeah, I saw that. I noticed this as well, yeah. I'm just not sure if it's going to consolidate entire AM session to drop lunch or PM session, but 50% 50 points risk, not worth it to trade this consolidation. Of course, if it could be like 10 points, I would try this, but 50 points, kind of, I know, like, today is Monday. We're consolidating since 9 a.m., guys. Just imagine since 9 a.m. and last like 2 hours, absolutely nothing happened. Absolutely nothing happened. That's crazy. I know, like, I would try to stay away overall. Just don't want to be bad example for you guys to train this shop. It's Monday. We pretty much moved. We got solid move during the night. Like London kill zone, Asia kill zone. It moved, honestly. And that's it. So when it's Monday with no news and we got some sort of big move during the night, mostly IM session is going to be garbage. On gold, I would like to see 33, 32. So I would like to see 4 or 5 points higher on gold. Yeah, let's hit 400 likes. I will do giveaway because so far NQ and yes looks amazing, brilliant, so tradable. So let's do something else. We will do giveaway. Yeah, exactly, about big moves. Not trade. No, not trade. I'm just observing price action so far. Look at this price action. No. I'm just watching. I remember, I believe it was Monday, even Tuesday was kind of consolidation. Anyway, I still would like to see lower to previous day low level, Friday low. I just not sure if it's going to hold this New York midnight open, but preferably. So we got 3-minute OB, we didn't get propulsion block just yet, but should offer free fall, I believe, once we can get the closure below this blue line. Should be free fall down to previous day low level. Basically closure below blue line. Let me move a little bit. should offer sell. I believe so. So at this point, it will offer propulsion block. So we got the action from 30-minute fair value gap, hourly fair value gap. We got sweep on 30-minute chart. We got 3-minute OB, price expected 3-minute OB. We got new sequence of up close candles waiting for the closure. It will be second confirmation of fall off. I mean, like drop, huge drops, potentially free fall. We can get the closure. I believe it should drop. At this point, we can break below consolidation low. I hope so. Something like this, to get something like this, you know. Also, if we get propulsion block, at this point, a stop loss can be over here. I like how gold trying to pump. At this point, the short should play out. Gold needs to pump another 3 points. So basically on gold, I would like to see a flat candle. If you're still in this long, you can consider this as your target. About to close. London low taken on, yes, on, yes. We got the closure, so I believe we should drop soon. I mean, here's the wallet scenario. We got closure below blue line, should offer sell. Let's see if we drop. At this point, gold's still bullish. Gold needs to pump another 2 points. Guys, once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway. Just for your information. I already said, basically it's propulsion block. So looking at this high time frame candles, we got 30-minute fair value gap. We got hourly for, not hourly, no, yeah. Our 30-minute fair value gap over there. So price offered sweep. We got this confirmed sweep by 3-minute OB over here, sequence with up close candles. We got the closure, a retest. Also, we got a test of 3-minute inversion fair value gap. We got new sequence of up close candles. So something like this. Let's see if we engage. I would like to see previously low level taken. I like this trend line. London low taken on ES. quite sure if we are going to drop there, of course. But this is what makes sense to me. I did expect to get free fall at this point. It must be just free fall, straight move down. It doesn't need to have any retracements at all, so let's see. We got the closure. We never retested this, so basically maybe. Oh, it's not even sure, but who cares, honestly. Just min threshold of this order block. So I can put maybe stop loss above min threshold. Let's see if I engage right now. Basically, that's propulsion block. It's not really order block. I mean, it's order block. Propulsion block is order block. Once again, at this point, I didn't anticipate to get straight move down, but I don't like how slow it is right now. I mean, I'm going to even like expect free fall. Let's see. Gold struggling as well, trying to retrace down. So far seems like gold and NQ moving in the same direction. But anyway, still makes sense to drop, even if gold moving lower as well. I mean, trying to retrace right now. I don't really care about that. ES is about to balance new week opening gap. So we have gap over here. 5 more points lower. I know, like open, close. So I would like to see you maybe on ES 62.83 level. Interesting. Gold trying to retrace as well. See this? It was 1 point away, exactly 1 point away from key level. So let's see if I engage right now on NQ. You can see the future. Why it's so boring? So let's highlight some liquid. Just so boring right now. Oh, it didn't even take this liquidity level at 82. Games, playing games. Oh, well. Gold's struggling as well. Kind of consolidating right now. Retrace back to the range. NQ? NQ like sitting flat so far. Where's my free fall? Because for free fall I usually use market order, but I didn't see free fall. Stuck at this London low on ES. Min threshold of order block. Let's see if my hold is min threshold at this point. I know, like, maybe it's Monday and I'm asking for too much for previous day low level on Monday. I know. Just makes lots of sense to drop to Friday low. A test of propulsion block. So I'm looking for may engage in this short right now. Gold trying to pump. NQ tried to pump. Gold tried to pump right now. We got sweep of this short term high. We did trace to this fair value gap. Anyway, it's not what I expect to get. I expect to get the closure and immediate free fall. With no retracements at all. Anyway, still trying to find entry to short this right now. Even with this drop, we didn't take sell side, created equal high, equal lows, which makes 0 sense to me. I mean, maybe, yeah, it's high resistance liquidity round, which is also possible. I'm not in a rush to participate in this trade. Just that doesn't make sense to pump just yet. Once again, can be wrong. See this level on ES. So I would like to see on ES it dropping another 5 points lower. This should send in Q lower as well, I believe so. It's struggling all day, like we got consolidation near New York midnight opens, then small drop, another consolidation, another drop so far. But still would like to see new week opening gap. We balancing this new week opening gap on ES. This point we're dropping on Q. I trade in Q, but normally trade in Q, but looking for ES as confirmation. Minor SMT between ES and Q so far. Anyway. Anyway, 11:05. Kind of boring right now. Okay, guys. Tomorrow is my birthday, and from July 8 to July 11, I will do giveaway every single day. So also I start a new challenge for myself, apart from evaluation to funded account, and it's going to be only on stream. If you want to participate with me on this giveaway, consider current sales. For example, I got my funded futures 50% off on any plan, any accounts, trade away. So you can get 50% off, or you can consider take profit trader, which is 40% off flash sale so far. So that's the best option. You can participate in this challenge with me. Let's see how it goes if you want to be part of this challenge. And guys, once again, from July 8 to July 11, it's going to be week of giveaways. So it's going to be my funded futures tomorrow, and I'm going to give away 10 accounts. So I hope you're going to enjoy this giveaway. So it's 11:06. Nothing is going on so far. I do like to see slightly lower, but honestly, it just feels like it's wasting of time. Once again, join me tomorrow to participate in giveaway. It's going to be lots of giveaways this week. 10 accounts from one prop firm. another pro firm is going to be more accounts as well. And I'm going to do some straight to funded accounts this week. I'm going to do a TradeZella this week for 12 months, free access, premium access for how many winners? 5, I believe. Yes. So it's going to be lots of different giveaways, lots of stuff to do. Join me tomorrow, guys, at 8:50 a.m. to participate in this giveaway. So I still would like to see slightly lower on NQ. At least we need to balance new week opening gap on ES, which is 62.83.75. At this point, maybe we will not drop a lot on NQ, but still. So guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. I just feel like it's going to be consolidation until lunch, or it's going to be end of stream setup. Of course. Guys, thank you for watching me. And once again, if you want to receive homeworks, you can subscribe to my newsletter. Just go to the description of my stream, find my my weekly newsletter, I believe it calls like this, and subscribe. You will be able to get homeworks assignments. What else? What else? You can join tomorrow. So I will stream for 3 hours tomorrow. End of stream setup is 102% win rate. Yes. So let's see if I'm going to finish the stream. It's going to drop hard. Who actually knows, but I will not be surprised to see this. Guys, I will check price action during PM session, but so far I like absolutely nothing. So yeah, 50% off is going to be for one account. Any other accounts will be 15% off. Yes, I got one account for 50% off. I got Starter Plus. You can get any account you like. Okay, guys. I will stream for everyone, and for everyone. Tomorrow at 8:50 a.m. Maybe I will start early. New video about top-down analysis for gold and CL coming this week. Just not sure about day, but this week. Okay, guys, don't make stupid mistakes. It's just ugly consolidation. Set alert on ES at 62.83.75 because if ES going to take this level, but NQ still will remain above previous day low level, that can be a signal for potential reversal. TradeZella 1 year, exactly. How much? It's around $200, maybe a bit more, but it's going to be free completely for winners. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't make stupid mistakes. Spend time on something more useful right now rather than watching this consolidation. Okay, guys, bye. See you tomorrow.